This is going to be our germs. All right? I'm just going to show you because you can't see germs on your hands. So now, if I'm at a buffet and I go and grab a fork like this, I'm getting it all over. I'm getting it all over the spoon.
Get away from me with that.
So look at it. And if someone's grabbing a roll.
This is why I don't like buffets.
Right? So you got to be careful of buffets and make sure, even for restaurateurs, but the stuff is clean. And you can always ask them to change stuff every once in a while. Oftentimes, with the hot chafers, they leave it out. And the spoons stay there for several hours.
Yeah, that's right.
And you keep going in.
That's right, and they
so
keep
it's important
going in.
that, you can ask them to change them, and oftentimes they do. And some people do it very well, and then some people don't do it as well.
I mean, I've been to a wedding where it's done well. I mean, if I know the people and it's a beautiful venue, but honestly, I would never go to like a buffet at an airport, right?
I'm not well, you see, I'm about to touch it.
I know, it's on your glasses now, too.
If I had a beard and I rubbed it, I'd be like, I don't like to see a guy with a beard at the buffet.
Will you put some Purell on? Okay. My God. All right, next time, we're keeping you in the kitchen.
I'm better in the kitchen.
You're better in the kitchen, so am I, buddy.
But anyway.
Now I'm all freaked out. I'm gonna Purell up myself. Thank you, David. Love you.
Thank you.